Hey guys, it's Aaron. After figuring out the height of the board, I then need to set my guides accordingly. So I get my guides from TSO Products. Their thin rip guide is super easy to use. And as you can see here, I'm just tightening and adjusting it. And then I wanted to just make a mark or two. That way I can make sure that it's set correctly. And it's a little off, so I did need to do a slight adjustment on it. Now I can finally cut the board. I am using some cutoffs in the back to help support the piece as well. A lot of people say you can't have repeatability with a track saw, but I disagree with that. You do have to make sure that things are set correctly, but it's not all that difficult. And you'll see right here, I've already got the pieces after I made all the cuts. Everything did fit well once I did the glue up. Now I don't have the glue up in the video, but you can see how well the board is turning out. I was able to run my hand across the board and felt very little high spots or low spots. As you can see here, I'm just marking it up. Got it in the clamps just to make sure everything is fitting together nicely. And there we go. Looks great.